Bonsoir mesdames et messieurs, non c'est Isma. Assoir ma chance me présenter Inside Destiny. John, comment le était au commencement? Comment le mouvement Destiny a été, ça fait au moins très marqué ça, je ne dis pas.
Au voulez me que l'homme de fin commencer à faire mon vie comme de commencer à faire ça.
Exactement.
J'aime qu'on fait dans l'armée américaine, monsieur te fait fin garder un movie haïtien. Et puis monsieur là me dit John, je pense que nous avons un movie tout parce que bah pas vraiment facile. Là ça m'a pas pensé que moi-même t'ai qu'à faire, but hey, when it comes to the crazy thing, this is my name, you know. I mean, I will do whatever it takes to do, you know. No, j'étais vraiment creative, but pas jamais pensé que journaliste a arrivé faire un movie comme ça.
Moi mais ça.
So, monsieur vend un software pour moi que un petit cheap software que je commence à apprendre chaque soir et moi comme son bagage me commence à aimer. Quand je me décide de gagner plus connaissance de ça m'a fait, so m'aller dans stop pour me garder si me acheter plus bagages qui permettent de faire plus bagages. Vous comprenez ça? Et puis quand on a là mon software qui devient vraiment pile corps, on est dans store qui dit que si j'ai besoin vraiment faire mon vie, c'est software so I have to go with that one. So okay, I bought it. You know, when I get home, I try to install the software on my PC. I couldn't. So I went back to the store. I said, ça passé software pas bon. Et il y a un dit que qui computer game de son PC. Il dit non, comme software fait pour seulement Macintosh. So let me say to him, whoa, you know, can I have my money back? You know what I mean? And he said no, because how do we know that you don't install the software that and you bring it back? And you know that you run down le maybe you think que si t'es mon vous voulez faire même, why don't you go and save money, you know what I mean, and log in corp et puis acheter un Mac computer et puis aller à l'école pour lui et puis on est là un côté monsieur et puis mal l'école pour lui et puis il aime bien comme acheter un Mac and that's it.
That's a nice story. So c'est Destiny with a movie Destiny. Anyway, comment on t'a rencontré acteur?
Tout acteur c'est pas mieux. Vous pensez que toujours allé dans gym avec ensemble, toujours fait blague ensemble avec eux et puis un jour me seulement dire que hey, j'ai envie de faire un movie.
First, I mean, John gave me a call and he said he wanted to do the movie.
Les gens te fait appel avec dans mon vie, tout c'est tout droit moi et que en tant que nèg pas de pape, nèg pas de paix et que pour me capable participer avec dans mon vie.
I felt pretty good in the beginning of this movie because the part that I had to play and I had to grow my hair.
Tout va commencer à marcher bien et puis tout le monde toujours là à l'heure. It was nice.
We were shooting like 4 times a week.
I thought that this movie will be done in 3-4 months.
And then Hurricane Wilma came. Oh my God. It's been really a crazy ride, like a roller coaster. I mean, from the moment that we started everything.
Partant des journalistes et puis mal la caille monsieur, les mouvements la caille monsieur et puis moi ouais un bandeau jaune passé dans la caille monsieur. So I'm like, what's going on? Et puis
well, Destiny went through a lot of things and that was one of them. So.
My father used to tell me, anything that you're doing in life, if you don't see, if it's difficult, then you know there's success behind it. If it's easy, then there's no success because nothing come easy in this world. You see what I'm saying?
Depuis qu'il y a Hurricane, je suis capable de les montrer la caméra, je tout cas la craser tout drywall la terre, puis les montrer, you know, dans la chambre où il toute caméra, tout computer, tout bagage, moi pas même un petit goût de l'eau là-dedans. Matter plus toujours, like hey, God want me to do this, let's do it. I love God, man.
We didn't really let that stop us, you know, we kept going with it. We in the street shooting, people used to think that we're doing a documentary.
Everything was great, you know, the rehearsal, going shooting, everything was perfect. But the last, you know, it was the last scene.
I have permit to shoot somewhere else.
You know, with guns and glove and everything.
Let my fucking go! Let my fucking go! That's my wife!
Well, I was on the set when we was shooting the last scene of the movie.
Here am I with blood on my shirt, just got shot, and then I'm with the gun.
Pendant la chute comme ça, et puis il m'entendait oui.
So one police car coming in, I throw my guns away.
And I was like, there go the police.
She was like, there go the police, and I'm like, I don't believe you. The next thing we know, there was like 8 police cars coming toward us.
Get on the floor, get on the floor.
And all we heard is everybody on the floor.
Everybody on the floor, everybody on the floor.
I'm like, oh my God.
What if I was there? You know what I'm saying? I'm an immigrant.
I'm cherchant producer, bah producer.
Actually, I heard the producer was hiding behind the garbage can.
John, get behind from the garbage can, man.
I was not sure.
It was so funny after we started laughing.
Thanks to John for having me handcuffed today.
Oh my God, I was so scared.
But my favorite part was John Harris. They asked him to lift up his shirt.
John said, oh, forget it. I'm gonna take all my shirt off.
That's how scared he was.
I remember I took my clothes off, but not hiding behind a garbage can, you know what I mean? And whatever, man.
One of the cops was making fun of the producer. And he said, well, we didn't ask you to strip us.
We had to wait another day to shoot the last scene, so we did it. The movie was done. So we're like, thank God. We didn't have to worry about nothing else. I mean, we went through so much just to make this thing happen.
The producer called me and said,
I have bad news for you. My heart is like, do. Bad news? How many more bad news do you have? Right when I was talking to him on the phone, I felt like something was going on. I'm like, oh, something ain't right.
It was too hard to crash, man.
Nah, are you serious?
there had to be a way for that movie to come out. So it was very sad. It was very sad for me, and
it was too hard to swallow, man. All those work for nothing, man.
Man, it was really a disaster. Everything that we did, all those things that we went through, it's like, what was the point if, you know?
I believe in God so much, you know what I mean? And all I had in my mind is like, God want me to re-edit the whole thing just to make it better, you know what I mean? Because when you believe in God, there's no way God gonna let you go wrong.
Je n'ai essayé à 3h du matin. Et puis il dit, hey, we can't give up. I was like, okay, let's go.
This is my time. This is my time.
get ready.
Are you ready?
I enjoy it, I love it, and Shabu Babu Jana.
This is my time.
Destiny.